Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'm going to talk a little bit about a question I've had today with also what Microsoft says. And I'm wondering if the question maybe comes because Microsoft is pushing Windows 11 hard on Windows 10 users. So the question from the user is that he's got a PC that can be upgraded to Windows 11, and it's actually being offered to him to upgrade to Windows 11. And he was wondering if you should do it now or wait. And if you are in that case where they are actually offering you Windows 11, now in my case it's not compatible, it can't, but for those of you that can, the Windows 10 operating system will get still a year before end of support. So that's one thing you need to know. You don't have to move on now, and if you move on, it's because you want to move on. But if you're happy and find that Windows 10 does everything you want, I would probably suggest that wait until the last minute. And when you get there next year, well, you'll be able to go on, and then you'll move on to whatever version is there. If it's still 24H2, then they'll have worked out the bugs, hopefully, from 24H2 that are happening right now, and you'll be fine. And you just can't wait. One of the things we know also is that in Windows 10, they won't be very aggressive with the $30 1-year extended support. So if you don't see them talking about it, I mean, if you weren't here, if you're not on any tech channel or have tech news, you don't even know. You would not even know that there's extension that's going to happen for 1 year. So Microsoft is actually working on that to be as quiet as possible about it, because they don't really want you to pay $30 for a year of extension. They want you to move on to Windows 11. That's the deal, the real deal that they want. So if you're happy with Windows 10 and your machine can go to Windows 11, just keep it at Windows 10. Leave it like that. Leave it alone. And as you get through the year, then you'll have two options. I suspect Microsoft might actually force upgrade people on Windows 10 to Windows 11 sometime next year when the end of support's getting near. So that could happen, and I'm pretty sure it will happen for compatible machines. So, but until now, up to now, you can just continue using Windows 10. If at some point it pushes you to Windows 11 by a forced upgrade, then you'll be a Windows 11, which is fine, honestly. And if you aren't being pushed to Windows 11, well, I'm not sure when that arrives, where you get the extended support, how it's going to actually go on, because I don't think that compatible machines, they will want you to be with that extension, and they might, like I just said, force upgrade you to Windows 11. And for those that are like this machine, not compatible, well, you're fine on Windows 10, and hey, $30 for a year more of Windows 10 on your computer isn't that bad. So I think that will probably be the next option to move another year with your old machine that can go to Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.